Environ 300 kilomètres. About 300 kilometers. About 300 kilometers. Environ 300 kilomètres. Yon ticket aller seulement. A one-way ticket. A one-way ticket. Yon ticket aller seulement. Est-ce que vous pral aider? Est-ce que vous pral aider? Are you going to help her? Are you going to help her? Are you going to help her? Est-ce que vous pral aider? Yon ticket aller-retour. A round trip ticket. A round trip ticket. Yon ticket aller-retour. À qui l'est? At what time? At what time? À qui l'est? Est-ce que m'ka pran yon rendez-vous pour mercredi prochain? Can I make an appointment for next Wednesday? Can I make an appointment for next Wednesday? Est-ce que m'ka pran yon rendez-vous pour mercredi prochain? Ou ka répéter ça pour moi s'il vous plaît? Can you repeat that please? Can you repeat that please? Ou ka répéter ça pour moi s'il vous plaît? Est-ce que route ça à New York? Does this road go to New York? Does this road go to New York? Est-ce que route ça à New York? Est-ce que vous avez assez l'argent? Do you have enough money? Do you have enough money? Est-ce que vous avez assez l'argent? Ou qu'on fait manger? Do you know how to cook? Do you know how to cook? Ou qu'on fait manger? Est-ce que vous connaissez qui ça dit? Do you know what this says? Do you know what this says? Est-ce que vous connaissez qui ça dit? Est-ce que vous voulez venir chercher? Do you want me to come and pick you up? Do you want me to come and pick you up? Est-ce que vous voulez venir chercher? Suive-moi. Follow me. Follow me. Suive-moi. Saute ici là pour aller là-bas. From here to there. From here to there. Saute ici là pour aller là-bas. Allez tout droit. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Allez tout droit. Arrivez déjà? Have you arrived? Have you arrived? Arrivez déjà? Est-ce que vous allez Boston déjà? Have you been to Boston? Have you been to Boston? Est-ce que vous allez Boston déjà? Qui j'aime qu'à arriver là-bas? How do I get there? How do I get there? Qui j'aime qu'à arriver là-bas? Qui j'aime qu'à arriver dans rue Daniel là? How do I get to Daniel Street? How do I get to Daniel Street? Qui j'aime qu'à arriver dans rue Daniel là? Qui j'aime qu'à aller dans l'ambassade américaine là? How do I get to the American Embassy? How do I get to the American Embassy? Qui j'aime qu'à aller dans l'ambassade américaine là? Combien de temps ça apprend sous machine privée? How long does it take by car? How long does it take by car? Combien de temps ça apprend sous machine privée? Combien de temps ça apprend pour aller Georgia? How long does it take to get to Georgia? How long does it take to get to Georgia? Combien de temps ça apprend pour aller Georgia? Combien de temps vol la ap dire? How long is the flight? How long is the flight? Combien de temps vol la ap dire? Ki jan film lan te ye? How was the movie? How was the movie? Ki jan film lan te ye? Mwen ta reme fè yon apel. Mwen ta reme fè yon apel. I'd like to make a phone call. I'd like to make a phone call. Mwen ta reme fè yon apel. Mwen ta reme fè yon rezervasyon. I'd like to make a reservation. I'd like to make a reservation. Mwen ta reme fè yon rezervasyon. Mwen gen yon kesyon mble pose yo. I have a question I want to ask you. I have a question I want to ask you. Mwen gen yon kesyon mble pose yo. Mwen vle pose yo yon kesyon. I want to ask you a question. I want to ask you a question. Mwen vle pose yo yon kesyon. Ma pran sa tou. I'll take that one also. I'll take that one also. Ma pran sa tou. Ma vini kounye ya. I'm coming right now. I'm coming right now. Ma vini kounye ya. Mwen pral lakay na 4 jou. I'm going home in 4 days. I'm going home in 4 days. Mwen pral lakay na 4 jou. Mbrale demain. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm leaving tomorrow. Mbrale demain. Map chache post la. I'm looking for the post office. I'm looking for the post office. Map chache post la. Plume sa se pou. Is this Spaniels? Is this Spaniels? Plume sa se pou. Nta vle gen yon. I wish I had one. I wish I had one. Nta vle gen yon. Yon ticket pour New York s'il vous plaît. One ticket to New York please. One ticket to New York please. Yon ticket pour New York s'il vous plaît. Yon pour aller seulement ou bien pour aller retour. Yon pour aller seulement ou bien pour aller retour. One way or round trip. One way or round trip. Yon pour aller seulement ou bien pour aller retour. Tant pis, parlez plus lentement. Please speak slower. Please speak slower. Tant pis, parlez plus lentement. Tant pis, menem nan airport la. Tant pis, menem nan airport la. Please take me to the airport. Please take me to the airport. Tant pis, menem nan airport la. Fella. Fella. That way. That way. Fella. Avion prale à 5h30 l'après-midi. The plane departs at 5:30 p.m. The plane departs at 5:30 p.m. Avion prale à 5h30 dans après-midi. Yo te rive hier. They arrived yesterday. They arrived yesterday. Yo te rive hier. Vire. Turn around. Turn around. Vire. Vire sous bord gauche. Turn left. Turn left. Vire sous bord gauche. Vire sous bord droite. Turn right. Turn right. Vire sous bord droite. Ki lo pral nan estasyon an? What time are you going to the bus station? What time are you going to the bus station? Ki lo pral nan estasyon an? Ki lè sa te pase? When did this happen? When did this happen? Ki lè sa te pase? Ki lè te rive Boston? When did you arrive in Boston? When did you arrive in Boston? Ki lè te rive Boston? Ki lè rive? When does he arrive? When does he arrive? Ki lè rive? Ki lè bank lan kon ouve? When does the bank open? When does the bank open? Ki lè bank lan kon ouve? Ki lè bis la kon ale? When does the bus leave? When does the bus leave? Ki lè bis la kon ale? Ki lè nap rive? When do we arrive? When do we arrive? Ki lè nap rive? Ki lè nou prale? When do we leave? When do we leave? Ki lè nou prale? Kote m ka voye sa ale pa mail? Where can I mail this? Where can I mail this? Kote m ka voye sa ale pa mail? Moun ki bolye? Where is she from? Where is she from? Moun ki bolye? Kote toilet la? Kote toilet la? Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom? Kote toilet la? Pou ki sa nou an? Pou ki sa nou an? Why not? Why not? Pou ki sa nou an? Wap fè m sonje? Wap fè m sonje? Will you remind me? Will you remind me? Wap fè m sonje?